Day in the life of an IAM engineer cybersecurity career reality. Most people don't know this. There are cybersecurity engineers making over $120K to $180K per year, just managing user access, permissions, and identity systems. No hacking, no coding all day, but huge responsibility. Today, I'll show you what a day in the life of an IAM engineer really looks like, what they do, what tools they use, and why companies pay them so much. Welcome to 3V Learning Center, where we teach cybersecurity, IT certifications, and career paths step by step. If you want to work in cybersecurity, cloud, or enterprise IT, IAM Engineer is one of the best careers today. Let's go inside a real day. 8 a.m. Checking identity alerts. The first thing an IAM engineer does is check identity and access alerts. Companies use systems like Microsoft Entra ID Active Directory, Okta, SailPoint, Delinea, CyberArk. These systems control who can access what. Alerts may show failed logins, locked accounts, suspicious sign-ins, privilege changes, new admin accounts. Access control is critical. One wrong permission can expose the entire company. 9 a.m. User access requests. One of the biggest daily tasks is handling access requests. Employees need access to applications, shared drives, cloud systems, databases, VPN. Users submit requests. IAM engineers review them. They check, does the user need this access? Is it approved? Does it follow policy? This is part of least privilege. Users should only have the permissions they need. Too much access. Security risk. 10:30 a.m. Role-based access management. Large companies don't assign permissions one by one. They use RBAC, role-based access control. IAM engineers manage roles like HR role, finance role, IT admin role, manager role. Each role has predefined permissions. When a new employee joins, they get a role. When they leave, access must be removed immediately. This is called provisioning. Deprovisioning access mistakes can cause data breaches, so IAM engineers must be very careful. Saturday 12 p.m. Meeting with security team. IAM engineers work with many teams. Security team, cloud team, HR, IT support. Compliance team, meetings may discuss new applications, access policies, audit findings, security risks. Identity is connected to everything. Every system needs authentication. Every system needs authorization. 1 p.m. Multi-factor authentication issues. Users often have problems with MFA. Forgot phone. New device. Token not working. Authenticator issue. IAM engineers fix authentication problems. They reset MFA. Unlock accounts. Re-register devices. It sounds simple, but thousands of users may depend on it. 2 p.m. Audit and compliance work. IAM is very important for audits. Companies must prove only authorized users have access. Admins are controlled. Access is reviewed regularly. Auditors may ask, who has admin access? Who approved this permission? When was access last reviewed? IAM engineers generate reports. This is called access review. Without proper identity control, companies can fail audits. 3 p.m. Privileged access management. Admins have powerful access. They can delete data, change systems, access confidential information. IAM engineers manage privileged accounts. Tools may include CyberArk, Delinea, PAM systems. Privileged access must be controlled, because insiders can be as dangerous as hackers. 4 p.m. Automation and scripts. Many IAM engineers automate tasks. They use PowerShell, Python automation tools. Example tasks: create users, automatically remove access when employee leaves, assign roles automatically, sync HR with Active Directory. Automation saves time and reduces mistakes. Large companies cannot manage thousands of users manually. 5 p.m. End of day, usually. Some days are calm, some days are not. If login systems fail, nobody can work. If identity system goes down, the whole company stops. That's why IAM engineers are highly valued. They control access to everything. Salary reality. Typical IAM engineer salary. Entry level $80,000, $100,000. Mid-level $110,000, $140,000. Senior $150,000 plus. Architect $180,000 plus. Cloud and IAM skills are in high demand. Many companies need identity specialists. How to become IAM engineer. Good starting skills: Active Directory Azure, Entra ID networking basics, security fundamentals. Good certifications: ISC2 certified in Cybersecurity, Security Plus, ASIC No Core, SC3 Horns, CISA, CISIM. Many IAM engineers start in Help Desk, System Admin, Security Analyst, Cloud Admin, then specialize in Identity. IAM Engineer is one of the best cybersecurity careers today. High demand, high salary, high responsibility. Subscribe to 3V Learning Center for cybersecurity training, certification guides, and career advice. Next video to watch out for: Day in the Life of a Cloud Security Engineer. IAM Engineer Day in the Life. Great career prospect. Great salary around $15,000 without coding or programming. Watch out for more episodes.